Business chat on Instagram is more than just a direct message. It's a powerful way for brands, businesses, and creators to build meaningful connections with their audience. Instead of relying on generic replies or leaving your followers waiting, business chat opens the door to real-time communication, instant engagement, and personalized customer support. Imagine a space where you can answer questions, resolve concerns, and showcase your expertise, all within the Instagram app your audience already loves. When you see the business chat label on Instagram, it means you're interacting with an account that uses Instagram's professional tools to manage messages. These chats are specially designed for businesses, making it easier to keep conversations organized, respond quickly, and even automate replies to common questions. For customers and followers, this means they're more likely to get the information they need, whether it's about your products, services, or even your latest post, without waiting or leaving the app. So, how does business chat actually work? When a user sends a message to a business account, the business can leverage features like quick replies, saved responses, and automated greetings. This ensures that no message goes unnoticed, and every conversation has a personal touch. For example, if someone asks about your store's hours, the system can automatically send in a pre-written reply. If a customer wants to know about your latest product launch, you can instantly share photos, videos, or links, all within the chat. But business chat is more than just convenience. It's about building trust. When your followers know they can reach you anytime, they're more likely to engage with your content, recommend your brand, and make purchases. It's also a great way to gather feedback, listen to your customers' needs, and adapt your approach to social media marketing. With every interaction, you're not just answering questions, you're strengthening relationships and building a community around your brand. Instagram Business Chat is also integrated with other Meta tools, like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp, letting you manage conversations across platforms from one place. This means you can keep track of every message, respond faster, and ensure your audience always feels heard. For businesses that want to scale their social media presence, these tools are invaluable. They help you maintain a consistent brand voice, offer exceptional customer service, and free up time to focus on growing your audience. At Famety, we understand how essential business chat is for your Instagram growth. That's why we offer services designed to enhance your engagement, boost your visibility, and help you connect with your audience in meaningful ways. Whether you want to increase your followers, get more comments, or drive shares, our platform supports you every step of the way. We know that communication is key to social media success, and our live support is always ready to help you make the most of Instagram's business chat features. In today's fast-paced digital world, followers expect instant responses and authentic interactions. Business chat delivers exactly that, giving you a direct line to your audience and making every conversation count. By embracing business chat on Instagram, you're not just improving your customer service, you're taking your brand to the next level. You're showing your followers that you care, that you're accessible, and that you're ready to help them succeed. So, whether you're a small business owner, a creator, or a growing brand, business chat on Instagram is your gateway to stronger relationships, better engagement, and real results. Open up those conversations, respond with energy, and let Famety help you shine on social media. Your next loyal follower, happy customer, or brand advocate could be just one message away.